Right, I started a new account here with $30,000, and I'm allowing myself to trade options very carefully. Hopefully, it's very risky, so I don't recommend doing it. And I'm perfectly fine if I blow this account up tomorrow. Today, I am up on the day. I traded NVDA calls. Let's see. I think I got in, stopped out, then got in here. And if you look at a 1 minute chart, I sold here a chunk, and then it was, you had a sell signal here, so you had your first warning right there, and volume was up, but you still had stronger volume before it. And then when I saw this, as soon as I saw this, I got out, and luckily that worked out for me pretty well. But I just was in here buying. He made a move. If you look at NVIDIA, kind of 5 minute squeeze, you could call it. Man, I really got it. So I don't trade with this computer. This computer I'm just using for recording. I am going to get, I have to figure out a solution here because the computer that I trade on is a Microsoft. It is a MSI laptop. Very powerful computer. But this one is just horrible. So it's an iMac. I don't recommend using a Mac for TC2000. But anyway, it just kind of traded in this range all day. And then you had this nice little base here. Pretty much went sideways. And then once we broke out, I mean, that's when I was looking to get long. So I had a nice gain on those. Let's see. And then when I saw that, all that volume coming in on the call option, I immediately looked at taking some puts with smaller size because it's like a counter trend thing. So let's see. That's what I took puts here. How many did I take? 10. I started selling here. I wasn't so confident in the position, which I held on, of course. Scaled out there and then held a runner to here. So let's see, the overall P&L. Yeah, just that one runner was over $400. So really, with options, you don't need much. It does not take much here. SMCI really was just a dumb trade. Not a dumb trade, just like it was extended on a short-term time frame. I'm looking at this 30-minute thinking like, okay, it's below this kind of linear regression line. Maybe it's going to start to tail off towards the end of the day here. We're approaching the close. We got a half hour left in the close. But anyway, that didn't work out. And then I think I have Tesla. Probably I will close this out if it's not in the green before the end of the day. Was hoping to take a swing on this. But ideally it would have been better get in earlier in the day. Just wasn't available to trade earlier today. Coin was that was a nice setup there on the short side. All right, just really at the open. Now it's forming this little bear flag here. DWAC, that's a tough one to trade. If you're trying to day trade DWAC, I think it's difficult. But if you're trying to swing it, you broke above this anchor VWAP. You have huge volume here. If you look at let's go to the monthly, and let's put an anchor VWAP here. Let's see. Come on. There we go, baby. So we rejected off of that, came back. Look at the weekly. And you have this huge volume here, breakout of a squeeze. It wants to go after that again, is what it feels like. I think I've traded this a couple times. I've just need to probably go smaller size and give it more room. But as of now, I feel like I've missed the move. GCT that broke out today. It was just a very choppy one though. I think when they're like this kind of, when the linearity is not quite there, you just have to go smaller size if you're going to trade it. Yeah, just very choppy in there. But yeah, it's up on big volume today, so that's a big move. That's a breakout. That's an official breakout on the day. So that's it for me for today. It's kind of a late trading day. Just starting this new account. I think overall, my main account, I'm trying to basically sit on my hands for the most part. I don't have much going on there. So just to kind of keep my pulse on things, I have this account where, it would hurt to lose it. And I don't want to. I want to make money with it, but I don't want to do big time damage to my main portfolio.